Welcome to day 8 of Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi Daily Exercises. So remember, this is the exercise portion of the 30-day program. The Tai Chi portion is on another video of day 8. So to get all the videos, make sure to click on the link in the video description below, and that way you can get all the videos, including the Tai Chi videos as well. All right, so today we're going to do an exercise called the Triceps Kickback. All right, so the triceps are on the back of the arm. And so last class we did the front of the arm, the bicep. Now we're going to do the triceps. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate the movement, the exercise first without weight, then we can use weight. All right, you'll want to use a surface for this to hold on to for support because you're going to be slightly bent. Now you can use a chair, but if you do, make sure there's no wheels so it doesn't slide out from you. And if you do use a chair, make sure you wedge it against the wall so that even if it doesn't have wheels, it can still slide. So you want to make sure it's safe. All right, you might be better off using a countertop as well because you don't have to bend that much. You're just going to be in this position here. So just a slight bend over. All right, so maybe 30 to 45 degrees as opposed to 0. If this was 0, about 45 degrees. That's kind of how far you want to bend. All right, so you want to get into the Tai Chi lunge. All right, so I'm going to use my left foot forward, my right foot back and out 45 degrees, both knees bent. So this is my left leg, so my left hand's going to be supported on the chair. My right arm is going to be below or hanging kind of pretty much by my waist to start, and then make a fist. All right, we're going to do it without weight first. Draw the arm up so that it's in line with your torso. All right, and then we'll do the movement. So we're going to breathe in, and as we breathe out, we extend the elbow. Breathe in, bring it back, breathe out. All right, you want to make sure you're keeping your back nice and straight and neutral, looking straight ahead as well. All right, so you don't want to be hunched over. You don't want to be looking up. And notice how only my lower arm is moving. Okay, so my upper arm is staying almost completely still. All right, that'll isolate the triceps to make sure that's the right muscle that we're working. All right, so you can do 5 to 10 of those, and then we'll switch sides. All right, I'm just going to turn around here so you can see me. All right, so now my right foot's forward, my right hand's supported on the chair, my left arm is making, my left hand is making a fist, then draw the arm up slightly so that it's in line with my torso, and then we straighten the elbow, bring it back. Straighten, bring it back, breathe in, breathe out. All right, so that wasn't the best posture. I was looking down. All right, so I want to be looking straight ahead. All right, now my torso's tilted, so I may be looking down at an angle a little bit, all right, because you don't want to be looking straight with your neck. So you want to keep everything in good alignment. I'm going to do 5 or 10 in a nice posture so you feel stable. All right, you can be a little bit taller too if you need to. All right, so adjust it to what's best for you. All right, so now let's add in some weight. Now you don't have to, you can just do it with just your fists, but I'm gonna grab a 1-pound dumbbell. You can use dumbbells, you can use soup cans, or even water bottles. All right, so I have a 1-pound dumbbell. We just need one because we're gonna do one side at a time. All right, so we'll get into the position. So I'm using my right leg forward, right hand on chair, left foot back, left arm is down, holding the weight. Bring the left arm up slightly, and then we'll begin. So I'll just show you with the weight first. We'll do 1 or 2. All right, it's the same thing. Straighten the elbow. That's very much it. All right, so let's do it all together. We'll do 10 reps. All right, and then we'll begin by breathing in, and then breathe out, extend. Breathe in, breathe out. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then we'll switch sides. All right, so now my left leg's forward, my right leg's back, left hand on chair, right arm is hanging down, right hand holding the weight. Draw the arm up, and we'll begin. Breathing out as we extend, breathing in. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so once again, try not to move your whole body. You don't want to be throwing it up there with your weight. You want to keep everything still, and you also want to keep your neck neutral to protect yourself and prevent injury. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. Please type them in the comments below and let me know how the program's going for you so far, and I'll see you in the next video.